Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download ASUS Studiobook 16 driver download. So first step goes to asus.com and then support and driver and manual to click. Then guys, do you know what is your serial number? So you can download from the serial number, type and then search and click to download from here. You don't know what is your serial number, select your model number and then 16. Okay, then click to driver and utilities. This is product name, which is you can check it and click to OK. Then this is BIOS. If you have to update of BIOS, okay, BIOS and firmware is available. Simple click to download and install. Okay, and this is driver and tool. So choose your operating system. This is guys only for Windows, showing Windows 11, so you have to Windows 10, so you can download same as it is same, so this will be supported. Okay, this is different available, Realtek audios, chipsets, real. Okay, so I giving you an example. Suppose you have to download the Bluetooth driver, click to download, downloading start, download is complete, then click to yes. Okay, next, agree, install, install. Okay, so you have to 2 to 3 or any or drivers install. So do not select yes and restart. No, I will start later. Then finish. Okay, and try to one by one, and then restart your system. Okay, thank you.